ka Department Political Science jong ka Synod College ka badai ka weni ki college ka balapau ha ka jella bad ha ka ribar ka wei menta ka sngi ka nyotrik nailar kala Pynlong ka jingalang pli ka national seminar kom ka benta jong ka Jingrakhe jong ka college ya ka Diamond Jubilee ya ka ni ka jingalang la penya do Dr. M Rani vice principal bala yoru ya ka jingkren pediang ni Dr. Jilengdo principal jong ka college ka phang pedeng jong ka ni ka jingalang kalong Media and Democracy Perspectives and Challenges in Northeast India. La yo ikajingkren mat phang no Professor MP Lama naka School of International Studies jangka Jawaharlal Nehru University Delhi bat uba shembor lang brenja ubalong UCM ka KHDC ulalong kongsan hakani kajingalang. Hakajingkren halor ka phang uba shembor lang ulaong. Ulapan kan mau ki kan tien riu start ki ba ong ba ubriu ubasen share ki lat pathai khobor usen share ka prathai henry menta I kombangi em hakapor ba ki briu ki basen share ka prathai ki sen shar ki lat pathai khobor ulaong ba ki lat pathai khobor ki penwan dori ki jingjiet bat ki jinglong jong ubriu hakari sen shar pat ba hakani ka juk jong ki podcast ki YouTube channel ka ei ka basa khlem kala ka dei ka bor jong ki kentien namar kata ngide ban long ki badan ka jingshi sha bat ki bakit khli kumnu bangin pendon kam ye ki ni ki rensan ki lat pathai khubor ki la dei lepa ki batrei na ka banta ka jingshi sha henry ka jingale ka long ban penti kana ba ki lat pathai khubor ki de ban pen khlan ye ka jing sensar pat ba da ka ba penne ye ka jingshi sha bat ban pendon kam hok ya ka bor ulaong.
Good morning to you all. At the very outset, I must share that I was requested at the 11th hour to step in as the chief guest in place of Shri Synod, LDA from Nongkrong constituency, and he is also the president of the Voice of the People's Party, who will not make it due to his health condition. However, I have no hesitation in saying yes. Coming to Synod College is never a task. It is a returning home. This is my alma mater. I passed my BA from this very institution, from the very Department of Political Science that is hosting this important seminar today. Some of my teachers have since retired, but I am heartened to see that quite a few are still studying, sharing, shaping young minds as they have once shaped mine. Standing here today among academic stalwarts like Professor Jingrakhe and in the presence of such distinguished scholars and participants, I am reminded of the biblical story of Daniel. Not Daniel in the lion's den, but rather I feel like a lion in the den of Daniel. Humbling to say this. The theme of the seminar, Media and Democracy, Perspectives and Challenges in Northeast India, is both timely and important. It has often been said that he who controls the media controls the world. But today, it seems we are living in a time where those who control the world now control the media. That's a dangerous shift. Why? Because media is not just a passive matter. It shapes opinion, behavior, even democracy itself. For us in the Northeast, this issue carries unique significance. Our region, rich in diversity, but often distinct from the so-called national center. But this has been underrepresented or worse, misrepresented in dominant media discourses. This lack of authentic representation risks lively social and political misunderstanding. However, it is also important to remind ourselves that we, the Khasi people, had our own form of folk media long before the arrival of modern platforms. We had a system of kruwa made of bamboo used to send political news across villages. We had the Samad, the local announcer, who informed people of both social and political events. We had Unom Tien, the trusted messengers who conveyed invitations and messages on behalf of the community. And central to all of these was our deep cultural belief in Kakte Ratang. The idea that a word spoken truthfully is sacred and binding. A person's word was their honor. Kahok Kashiti. Truth is the simple word. Today, in the age of podcasts, YouTube channels, and viral posts, words are returned, but in different forms. What remains unchanged is the power of those words. And so we must be factual, truthful, and responsible in how we use the platforms. After all, we come from a tradition that holds the spoken words as sacred. Media is the ultimate tool. It can inform or misinform, unite or divide, empower or manipulate. The choice is ours. The challenge is to ensure that media strengthens democracy by promoting truth, enabling dialogue, and holding power accountable. I am confident that over the course of this 2-day seminar, the discussion will not only explore the challenges, but also offer a vision for how we, especially in the Northeast, can build a media culture that is ethical, inclusive, and evolving. To conclude, I wish to express my deep appreciation to Eliza, the Department of Cultural Science, and IGPC of Synod College for this initiative and for the honor of allowing me to speak today.